James Swenson. I want to leave a testimonial for Nexus IT Consultants. I've been working with Nexus IT for just a few months now, and coming over to Nexus IT has been one of the most amazing things that I've been able to do in my career. The leadership here is outstanding. They really give you the feeling that they care about you, they support you, and they are invested in your future and in your success. The way that we interact with clients, I think, is second to none. Earl Foote, the CEO and founder, he's hands-on all the time. And that's something that you don't get at a lot of companies. So I really appreciate Nexus IT, all they do for the community here in Utah. And you know, I'm thrilled to be part of a team. It's a proud achievement of mine. And yeah, I hope Nexus IT does well in the future, and I wish them the best of luck.